Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Cash App for stock and crypto step by step clearly. Open the Cash App on your smartphone. Log into your account if you haven't already. If you're new to investing, tap on the Investing tab located at the bottom of the screen. Choose between stocks or Bitcoin for your investment preference. For stocks, tap on Stocks to browse available options. Use the search feature to find specific companies or stocks you want to invest in. Once you've found a stock, tap on it to view detailed information. Review the stock's performance and related news to make an informed decision. Tap on the Buy button to start the purchase process. Enter the amount you want to invest in the stock. Review your order summary to confirm the details of your purchase. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm to complete your transaction. To invest in Bitcoin, return to the Investing tab and select Bitcoin. Tap on the Buy button to purchase Bitcoin. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to buy. Review the transaction details before proceeding. Once you're ready, tap Confirm to finalize your Bitcoin purchase. Your investment will now be reflected in your Cash App portfolio. To track your investments, return to the Investing tab at any time. You can sell stocks or Bitcoin by selecting the asset from your portfolio. Tap on the Sell button and enter the amount you wish to sell. Confirm the sale by reviewing the details and tapping Confirm. Your transactions will be processed, and your Cash App balance will be updated accordingly. Remember to monitor market trends and news that could impact your investments. Investing involves risks, so consider your financial goals before proceeding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security email. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.